Hello. Hello. What's up, Mr. Janelle? How you doing? Yeah, I need a haircut. I also need a shave. My mustache is getting mixed in with my beard, and I don't like that. It just looks like I have a beard now. Dude, you know what you know what I've been listening to a lot of? Okay. Like a few days ago, I don't know, I guess Blink came out with their new song, and something just like, dude, that song kind of hit different. And I was like, okay, this is a nice song. This is reminding me of like old Blink. And I don't know, man. I just been into it. Why is my camera like crooked? All right, today we're gonna be doing the Dymium 65 again, and we're gonna be doing with the fix to it.
Oh yeah, wow.
Lance, thank you so much for the 12 months, dude. So they told me that the issue that the magnets, like my magnets weren't bad, but they weren't staying put 100%. Is it the silver one? I'll do the silver one today. Silver. But they said they fixed it, which is cool because that's awesome that they managed to fix something. Also, they lowered the price of the keyboard. So they listened to a bunch of community feedback and lowered the price of the board. So it's $275 now, which I think is a very good price for this. Like for what you get, pretty awesome. All right, so this is actually a really cool unboxing experience too. They have everything like labeled for you, which is good. But it's a fun board. I had fun building it last time. It uses magnets to assemble, so it's pretty easy assembly. I actually like this in silver more. Very cool. We did the proto, and this would be like the run. Ooh, that actually looks so good in silver. I normally don't like the brushed look, but for some reason, I kind of don't mind it on this. Maybe brushed in silver is something I really haven't seen. Like brushed brass and like, it's a neat looking combo. It looks good though. I'm just gonna treat this stream as like a complete redo. And then I'll go over the points that I may still not like in this particular one. Side profile is fun. It's like a bit of a box on wedge. It does have like a, I don't even know what to call this. A notch here on the side, and then it does have a really nice curve here. But oh yeah, I forgot about this. See, this is why I think it's good to do a whole redo of this. It comes with this really nice, I know this is like not much to some people, and I said this exact same thing the last time. This cable's really nice, actually. It's like a very like elegant feeling cable. So it does come with it, which is kind of cool. And then we also have some accessories, which I think this is like the gaskets and stuff. Yeah, gaskets and the badge and whatnot. Oh, they gave us a bunch of plates this time. Did we get all the plates last time, or did I just get polycarbonate last time? I'm definitely using aluminum though. All right, so this is something I brought up on the first build, and this is again subjective. But I'm also gonna tell you guys, I personally think it's a bit objective, personally. It does have flex cuts, therefore it is gonna be a little bit of a thinner sound profile. However, I kind of feel, I think this is also 1.2, I don't remember if it's 1.2 or 1.6. I personally feel like in the future, and I know I've talked to them about this, they're probably gonna be avoiding it. I don't necessarily love flex cuts, but I also don't hate them. I just think they're not for me, and it's kind of an irreversible thing. Like once you have a flex cut, there's not really much you can do unless you design some sort of silicone thing like the Cycle 7 did to put underneath, but that's just another part in the kit. But you know, not the options or just something else. This is a 6.25. Oh yeah, and that's the other thing too I mentioned about the Dymium. I would like more options for the PCB. I think the Dymium's weakest point could be options with its PCB, truly. Not the end of the world, but how about licking the cuts to test the sound? Do you think I can hear with my tongue? Listening to your stream while lubing my new Nixies, it's good therapy? Ooh, what are you putting it on? I don't mean to take you away from your lubricating of switches. So if I'm bothering you, you tell me right away. Glarses? Did I just get a Glarses raid? Annoying Orange was on Glarses' stream? France was on Glarses' stream? I don't know what Annoying Orange is. We're also using N2O switches from Keeps for All. These switches are interesting, man. So they're lubed. They actually feel pretty good in hand. They kind of feel like the pink Robins a little bit. But cute looking switches, definitely out there. I don't exactly know what N2O is. Like, I don't understand this whole theme here, but it's interesting. Switches are nitrous oxide. It's like laughing gas type thing. Joker base. Oh, like laughing gas. Okay, it is. Interesting. So this is all held together by magnets on the case, guys. So it's kind of comparable to the catchball system in a way. So it's a screwless build, which is kind of fun. My friend has a corn, but is too lazy to lube the stabs. Egoon, if I send you a little syringe of lube, can you just do it for him? I've tried. Why doesn't he want to fix the stabs? I'm so curious as to the reason why. I feel like, obviously everyone's allowed to do whatever they want with whatever they buy, but I feel like if you're spending that kind of money, you know, you kind of just do the best possible. I found keyboards because I ain't got no friends. Hey, Jimbo, you got all of us now, man. That's crazy. Look at us. We're all friends here. Cool. Oh, yeah, it works now. It's not falling down. Okay. Good for them. They fixed the issue. So now you can pick it up. And it's all magnetic. No screws needed. That sounded strange? Well, it's just the magnets clacking together. And this is the only other part of the board that I necessarily don't care for. But I think this is, again, maybe such a minor part. It's just this logo. Let's put it this way. It's an adhesive logo. I've seen other boards do this. I don't care for it. I think a magnet would have been so nice here. But you know what? At least they did get this to fit super flush. Like, it does fit amazingly flush. Like, there's only one way this can really drop in. But yeah, a magnet, feel like a lost opportunity here. Because it is a magnetic keyboard. They could have done a magnetic accent. Like, that's actually not terrible. Again, we're just using the flex cut PCB with no foams installed. I'm probably going to end up putting a foam inside, though. Given the meme cuts, that's not bad. Yeah, I'm also agreeing with you. It's actually not bad. That's actually pretty surprising how this sounds. The alphas are fun sounding. The spacebar needs a little bit more volume though. It's crunchy. Get the masking tape out, boy. I want to try this tape. I recently had some luck using this tape. Heat-proof electrical tape? Sorta. I don't exactly know how to describe it, but it's thin enough to the point where we're only covering flex cuts. You know what would be really nice if Ordinary Labs decides, you know how like the Cycle 7 has those silicone plugs? If Ordinary Labs provided something like that, like this is, you can tell the difference already. Am I going crazy? You can sort of tell the difference a little bit. So my advice to Ordinary Labs, like literally maybe my I know I've already talked to Ordinary Labs about this. Obviously flex cuts on a PCB, totally a preference thing. I understand that, guys. I get that some people like flex cuts, some people don't. But my advice, if you're gonna go that route, I think the Cycle 7 is the only people who've done it so far with using like a silicone insert or just some sort of rubber insert to plug the gap there. Perhaps something like that to help plug that gap to get this sound signature back to the keyboard. Because this honestly sounds pretty good like this. I actually really like this right now. All right though, guys, that's pretty much the stream. If you guys liked this board, head on over to Ordinary Labs. The link's in the build command. Ordinary Labs was kind enough to send this out. We're also doing that giveaway still. I think it ends, I think it was today. It would end it tonight, right? Anyways, we'll be giving out, I believe, I'll see what they want to do for a giveaway, but either this unit or the other one that I have here with me for the giveaway. They were kind enough to offer a giveaway unit too, which is cool. And they've been doing some interesting stuff. I can't wait to see what else Ordinary Labs is going to do. They seem like really cool people. Love you guys. Have a good one. I'll see you guys Wednesday. I hope you guys all have a good weeks, because I know I'm probably not going to. Actually, tomorrow I might go live with a co-working stream, but we'll see. Enjoy 99 stream. Peace out, everyone. Love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye bye.